Hey there, home cooks! Looking for something delicious to cook tonight? I've got you covered with 5 mouth-watering pasta recipes that are sure to impress. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the classic spaghetti carbonara. This Roman staple is creamy, rich, and loaded with pancetta. Start by cooking your spaghetti to al dente. While that's boiling, fry up some pancetta until crispy. In a bowl, whisk together eggs and grated pecorino romano cheese. Once the pasta is done, toss it with the pancetta and then quickly mix in the egg and cheese mixture, making sure not to scramble the eggs. Finish with a generous grind of black pepper. Buon appetito! Next on the list is pesto genovese. This vibrant green sauce from Genoa is bursting with fresh basil, garlic, pine nuts, and parmesan. Blend everything together with some olive oil to make your pesto. Cook your pasta of choice. I love using trophy for this one, and mix it with the pesto until it's beautifully coated. Top with a sprinkle of extra parmesan and a few toasted pine nuts. Simple and utterly delicious. Our third recipe is a hearty bolognese. This meaty sauce is perfect for a cozy night in. Start by sautéing a mix of onions, carrots, and celery until they're soft. Add in ground beef and pork, cooking until browned. Pour in some red wine and let it reduce, then add tomato paste, crushed tomatoes, and a bay leaf. Let it simmer for a couple of hours until thickened. Serve over tagliatelle and dust with parmesan. Comfort food at its finest. For something a bit lighter, try aglio e olio. This simple dish packs a punch with just a few ingredients. Cook your spaghetti and reserve some pasta water. In a skillet, gently sauté thinly sliced garlic in olive oil until golden. Toss in red pepper flakes for a bit of heat. Add the cooked pasta and some reserved pasta water to the skillet, tossing until everything is well combined. Finish with a sprinkle of parsley and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Quick, easy, and oh so tasty. Last but not least, we've got a luxurious shrimp scampi. Cook your linguine and set it aside. In a large pan, melt some butter and cook minced garlic until fragrant. Add in shrimp and cook until pink. Pour in white wine and lemon juice, letting it reduce slightly. Toss in the cooked linguine, making sure it's well coated with the buttery sauce. Garnish with chopped parsley and a bit of lemon zest. Ready to wow your taste buds? There you have it, folks. 5 incredibly delicious pasta recipes to try out tonight. Let me know which one's your favorite in the comments below. Happy cooking!